Bitcoin moves fast, talks loud, and has a habit of making everyone look like a genius right before it reminds them they're not. One day the Perma-Bulls are declaring a new paradigm. The next day the Perma-Bears are crowing about the inevitable collapse. Meanwhile, HODL, the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, or the coin itself, has been quietly building or shedding conviction across multiple time frames. The three waves method gives you a structured way to spot high probability reversals before the crowd piles in or panics out. Bitcoin doesn't reverse with a single dramatic candle or a pundit's hot take. Real turns announce themselves slowly across time frames, often with volume confirmation that the smart money is already rotating. In the three-wave system, weekly, 2-day, and under 95-minute charts with clean Heikin-Ashi smoothing, vertical crossovers, and volume confirmation, a high probability reversal setup usually looks like this. The dominant weekly Heikin-Ashi trend starts showing fatigue, smaller bodies, longer wicks, volume falling below the average line. The 2-day chart begins to diverge, with momentum rolling over or failed vertical crossovers. The 195-minute chart delivers the tactical confirmation, lower highs or lows or a clean break of structure with volume support for the new direction. When all three waves start agreeing on a reversal, the probability of a meaningful turn rises dramatically. The method doesn't catch every wiggle. It catches the ones that matter, when the market is actually changing its mind on the higher time frames. Bitcoin rewards conviction until it punishes it. FOMO on the way up and panic on the way down are powerful forces. Most traders see a sharp move on the 195-minute chart, declare the trend exhausted, and get run over when the weekly wave reasserts control. Waiting for full three-wave alignment feels late. It feels like you're missing the obvious turn. But that's exactly why it works. The crowd is already positioned, and the real money is just starting to rotate. The best reversals often feel almost too obvious once the higher time frames line up. The worst ones feel like you're finally getting in early. I've done both. The market has a gentle but expensive way of teaching this particular lesson. Apply the rules mechanically to Bitcoin. Start with the weekly Heikin-Ashi trend. Is the dominant direction showing exhaustion with declining volume? Look to the 2-day for confirmation. Are we seeing momentum divergence or structure rolling over? Use the 195-minute only for timing once the higher frames agree, with volume confirmation above average for the new direction as the final filter. Respect the fade on the old trend. Shrinking bodies and falling volume across frames often signal the turn is coming. The edge comes from waiting for consensus across the three waves instead of jumping at every lower time frame wiggle. Bitcoin will always be volatile. Narratives will swing from euphoria to despair and back again. But the way price discovers value across weekly institutional horizons, intermediate momentum, and tactical intraday action has remained remarkably consistent. The three waves method on Bitcoin doesn't require you to predict the next halving cycle, ETF flow, or regulatory headline. It simply shows when the market is actually turning and whether volume confirms the new direction has real participation. Traders who fight the weekly Bitcoin wave or chase every reversal call tend to pay tuition. Those who wait for alignment often find themselves positioned with, rather than against, the smart money flow in crypto. Everything is laid out in clear, practical detail in my new book, Three-Wave Trading Advantage. The exact time frames, Heikin-Ashi rules, risk management, and the psychology of waiting for true alignment. No 47 indicators, no holy grail, just a better way to listen to what the market is actually saying. Support our work at Patreon at any of the 3 levels and receive the book plus other training, gifts, and more.